Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just received a parcel today and I'm very excited to do this unboxing. This parcel should contain the latest Nodus Contrail stainless steel with the Arctic white dial. So without further ado, let's open up the package. Right, seems nicely packed. Okay, here is the box. As you can see, this is the Nodus watch company logo and this is the model Contrail. It's just a cardboard box, nothing fancy. Okay, before we move inside the box, let's see. Designed and assembled in Los Angeles. Right. Okay, so this is the operating instructions and the manual. It comes with a very nice watch pouch with the Nodus logo on. I'm not sure if this is real leather. Let's open up. Okay, there are two pockets here. So I guess this one contains the watch. Okay, before that, let's see what is here. Right, this is a polishing cloth for the watch. This is the warranty card. And here is the movement regulation card. I will talk about this later. So let's see the watch. Okay, this is the watch. It's a bit cold here, so I'm getting condensation on the watch case. So let's peel off some stickers and yeah, we'll jump right back. Okay, we are now closer to the watch. Well, I might have to continuously wipe the watch on and off because it's still very cold. The watch itself is still very cold and my room temperature here is a bit warmer, so there will be some condensation. Let's check the bezel. Okay, it's a bi-directional bezel with the 12 hours marking on. It's a full stainless steel bezel. And let's check out the crown. It's a screw down crown, so it's hand windable. The winding is very smooth. It's hackable. Okay, there is a quick set for the date. Let's check out the case back. Okay, you can see the Nodus Contrail logo engraved on the case back. It has a safety lock push button deploying clasp. The clasp is male and there are plenty of micro adjustment on the buckle. All the links are solid and yes, it has drilled lugs, which is a very nice plus because it makes swapping out the bracelet fairly easy. And you have a fully articulated center link on the end link, so you can really make the bracelet stay flat on the watch case. Let's do a close up on the watch dial. Okay, this is my first micro brand watch. Well, I always thought that Steinhardt and Christopher Ward are micro brands until somebody told me that they aren't. So actually, I'm not really sure about the proper definition of a micro brand. Then again, anyway, this is my first non-Swiss made micro brand. Well, if you look at the pricing at $600 US excluding shipping and import duty, it seems kind of steep for a micro brand. There are many good micro brands watches out there that are in the range of 200 to 300 US dollars. So why am I willing to pay that much to get a watch from a micro brand? First, it's the honesty of the company. Their watches are designed and assembled in LA. You see, they didn't say it is made in LA. I read from their website that when they first started out, assembly was outsourced, but they had many quality issues back then. It was then that they decided to get the parts in, inspect them, and assemble them in LA. Another thing is that Nodus went a step ahead by regulating the movement. As you can see, this is the movement regulation card. Unlike other micro brands that just slap in the movements into their watches, Nodus stress tests the movement for 10 days and then regulate it to 4 positions. So the regulation based on their website is plus minus 8 seconds per day. If I'm not mistaken, this is even better than an elaborate grade ETA 2824-2, which is only regulated in 3 positions. So as you can see, they have crown up is 0 seconds per day, crown down is minus 1 second per day, 12 hours down is plus 1 second per day, and dial up is plus 4 seconds per day. This is in fact very good. The movement inside this piece is a Miyota 9015. It is a high beat movement that beats at 28,800 beats per hour. So that is why we can get this very smooth sweep second hand. With the enthusiastic owners and the passions that they put in their watches together with the extensive QC, regulation and assembly, I think this piece is worth every bit the price I paid for. Well, to be honest, labor cost is not cheap in America. Alright, this is a quick wrist shot after sizing up the bracelet. All the links are held together by screws. So this is how the watch looks on my 6-inch wrist. The clasp is here. So a quick word here, after putting this piece up on my wrist, I can say that the buckle, it's a little bit underwhelming. First up, it is really hard for me to lift this safety fold over piece here. And the second thing is that when I remove the watch from the wrist, these 2 pointy ends, they are very sharp and they could cut or scratch you. So it's a little unrefined here in my opinion. On the overall, the watch is good. It's just that the clasp and the buckle, it's a little bit underwhelming, you know, for the price that I paid. But anyhow, the overall package is still good, I would say. And with the 12 hours bi-directional bezel, it is definitely a plus considering some other GMT watches out in the market. They don't even have a proper bi-directional bezel. So I guess this is a plus for here. Yep, I guess that's it for this unboxing video. So if you're new to my channel, please help by subscribing to my channel. It does help me a lot. And please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch pictures. I will be doing a full review of this piece after a few weeks putting this on. So please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the video. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.